Hello guys, this is Solanki and today we'll be looking at my entire YouTube setup. Now this will not only include the lights but also everything that you currently see in this particular video. It will also include the mic, the camera gear that I use, and the links for all of these things will be down in the description box below, so do check them out. Now the only light that is currently on in this particular video is the key light, and this is the main light for any YouTube video. This is basically used to highlight the subject. Now it is always better to have a very strong source of light for your key light, and you can also use the sunlight for this. Also make sure that the key light is kept at a 45-degree angle and is kept above you so that it highlights you better. Now for me, I've used a ring light for this and I've mounted it on a 7-feet stand so that it highlights me properly. Now if you're someone who's just starting out on YouTube or just starting to make videos, then this particular light is enough for your videos. You do not need any fancy lights, but if you want to step up your game, then you can also add the RGB lights. So here we have the blue light and here we have the red light, so it creates this mixture and shows off this purplish background behind me. Now these RGB lights that you see over here can be changed to any color that you want, and these are pretty cheap on Amazon, so you can order one for yourself right away. Other than this, if your background is quite dull and has nothing in it, just like my background right now, you can use these lights to fill in those gaps. Now this is the remote that you get with these lights, and you can basically change it to any color that you want. Let me just change it to say green color. Here as you can see, it has changed to green color, and I can just change it back to blue as well. So yeah, these are all the colors that you can change it to, RGB and all the colors in between. So till now we are done with the key light, which was the ring light. We are done with the RGB lights to highlight the background. Now we'll be talking about the practical light. So here I have the moonlight, and this is one of my favorite lights, to be honest, and let me just show you how it works. So this is the moonlight, and if I just tap on it, it changes colors as well. So here as you can see, it has a variety of different colors, and yeah, so this is what I use for my moonlight. Now practical lights are something that you use in the background of your videos, and this particular light I've used for highlighting the books that you see on my right side. Now this is all that you need for the lighting equipments, but you can also use this particular thing that I have over here. This is the LED panel. I've just stuck a paper over here, but this is the LED panel that you can use as well if you're getting on to the professional side, but currently I'm just using the ring light and it works for me right now. Other than the lighting part, we also have the audio and the camera. So let me first talk about the audio. So for now I am using the Boya MM1 mic, and this is a mic that I've been using for the last 100 videos on this channel. So if you've ever seen my YouTube shorts or any of the videos that I make, I usually make sure that I'm using this mic itself. Now this comes with a dead cat, so it blocks any kind of air movements around you as well. Now as for the camera, you might be surprised to know this, but I am currently using my iPhone's camera. So this is just to show you that you don't have to have some professional cameras in order to record your videos or build a channel on YouTube. Now this thing can be mounted on books as well, but right now I have mounted it on a Gorilla stand that you can find it on Amazon as well. All the links, as I said, will be down in the description box below. Now I use this Gorilla stand for almost every type of video that I shoot, be it me sitting down in a chair or a vlog or anything that basically I put on YouTube. So this Gorilla stand and the camera, that is my phone itself, and this mic, these three things are something that I carry with me everywhere I go, and basically record my videos on that. Now as for the accessories, you can purchase these accessories from Amazon. The links are down in the description box below. You might have seen this from my previous videos as well, and this is something that I got recently. So yeah, these are the two things that I use to enhance the aesthetics of this video frame. Now this complete setup is good in itself, and you don't have to make any more changes for this, but I am currently looking for any kind of recommendations from you guys as well, so do leave them in the comment section below. Other than this, I am planning on adding something in the background because it looks kind of empty right now, so I'll probably be adding a couple of more practical lights over here, maybe a lamp or maybe something else, but let's see what happens for the future videos. Other than this, as I said, I also record vlogs, so if you want to check out my vlogs, then do press the playlist over here and check them out right away.